Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 867, transpose matrix. It's a really simple problem in which you will be given a matrix and you will have to basically transpose it. So when I say transpose, what we mean is like converting the rows into columns and columns into rows. Okay, so let's look a little deep into it. What exactly does that mean? So if we see over here, I have given a basic definition of what exactly a transpose is. Okay, so in like when we say we want to transpose a matrix, we will basically just simply convert our rows into columns. We'll convert our rows into columns, and columns will become the rows. For example, let's say in this matrix, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 as our rows. Okay, so when we transpose this, so when we transpose this, the first column will be equivalent to the rows. Okay, so this will be the value of the first column because this was my r1, r2, r3, right? c1, c2, c3, c4. R represent rows, c represents columns. Okay, so my c1 is equivalent to r1. Similarly, I'll change my change the value of other column, so it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, right? c2 is equals to r2. Similarly, c3 will be equal to r3. Okay, with 9, 10, 11 and 12. So can I say, let's assume if this was a, so can I say and this, let's take B, this as b. So if I say I'll explain you what I'm writing down over here. So if I say for any particular coordinate, for example, this was what 1 comma 1. Okay, or let's take some other coordinate, maybe this one 2 comma 1. Okay, where my row was 2 and column was 1. Okay, so when I just interchange the value of row and column. We are simply doing the transpose. Will it be a right statement, right? So in this case, let's see, like we just change the the order of it, right? So let's see, I am looking at 10. So in matrix B, if I say I am at row 1, this is my first row, and I want to check uh, column number 2. So this was column 2. So exactly what what we had at this place is now at some other coordinate. So this is what a transpose exactly means. Yeah. Now looking to the code of it, it will be a very simple code in which I have defined a new resultant array, and I have just initialized everything with a none. Okay, uh, the only catch over here will be it will have uh, like yeah, the number of elements in each of the sub array will be equal to the number of rows, right? So that's why you will see for I in range length of matrix, and the number of rows will be equal to number of columns. Okay, so this is the only difference, and usually we do the other way around, like we keep everything same if we are just duplicating it, or we are just performing some actions on the matrix, right? Next is very simple, just run a loop on the original array. So I have run a loop on row and column, for row in length of matrix, for column in any, like pick any of the component or any of the row, and you can just simply get the coordinates. So for the resultant array, I have just transposed everything, whatever row column value we had, I'll be just transposing it to column comma row. Okay, at the end we will get the solution of it. So now when we submit this for the evaluation, we will see that the solution will be accepted. Okay, and we performed, I would say, fairly well. We are performing fairly well with the same approach. Okay, so yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.